Okay guys, it is January 28th and we have 5 days until we leave to move to Europe. And today we are getting a ton of stuff done because we just got back late last night from visiting our friends in Austin, which was super fun, and we've been there since Friday. So we're really in super motivational, let's get this done mode. So today we took my car to the car wash. I just took some photos of it to put on Craigslist to sell. My Alex's car, which is really old, is getting donated today, so they're coming to pick that up any minute now. What else? Alex has cleaned out his entire closet. Well, he took all the clothes out. I don't think he's gone through it yet. So we're really trying to get all of this done today. We want to have everything packed and in the storage unit except for the big furniture that we need to get movers to move and all of the stuff that we're taking with us. So we're trying to have everything else out of here today. We when we were in Austin, we got our vet forms signed by the government office that we had to do that we had to do. He's been so needy all day today. Sorry I haven't been filming very much, but we're just like trying to get it done. I don't have time to be filming everything. Hi again, it's so much later in the day right now. We've gotten a lot of stuff packed, and right now I'm about to start on the bathroom. Alex is at dinner with his old boss. I need to do my closet, my wardrobe, and then we're like getting really close to being done, but I don't want to stop and like be left with a ton of stuff to do on the last day, so we're gonna like keep going. Alex bought a bottle of wine, so we're gonna like stay up super late tonight and finish all of this. All of my stuff is empty. This is stuff that's either trash or I'm gonna try to give it to my friend. This is all stuff that I'm going to pack away, but I'm not really sure if I should. I have like all of these nail polishes. I already am gonna give my friend a ton of them, but I have these that I really like, but I don't need to bring like a ton of nail polish with me. I'm already bringing 3 colors that are my 3 favorites. So I don't know if I should pack those or if I should go ahead and get rid of them to a friend and just get similar ones when I come back, or like I can buy some there that I like just as much. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my husband what he thinks I should do, because I kind of am leaning towards I should just give them to my friend, because I don't know if they'll all last that long in storage. This is all hair stuff that I'm also storing. I have like scrunchies, hairbrush, comb, like extra clips and stuff, and I just don't need to bring all of this. But again, if I'm storing it and I'm not going to need it for a year, do I really need to keep it in general, or should I get rid of it? Like, I don't know what to do. Then this whole drawer is empty. Now, this is all stuff that I'm either bringing with me or I still need to use up this week. Hello. It is now Wednesday, I think. Yeah, today's Wednesday. So this morning we were supposed to meet with this guy to sell my car, and he was like, I bought the Carfax and the Carfax said that there was structural damage. And I was like, I don't know anything about that. I've never been in an accident, or there's never been anything wrong with my car, so I don't know what he was talking about, but he didn't come meet us. So now, yeah, I'm still trying to sell my car, which is very stressful. Groucho, what? It's yelling at me. Okay, so here are what we have going on. This is Alex's old work clothes that he's donating to his old coworkers. This is recycle. This is donation, 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 donation. This and this, I'm making a big box to send to our friend. So I took like all of Alex's nicest clothes and I'm gonna send that to him. And then I also have some like beauty products that I'm gonna send to our other friend, well, their boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm gonna send a big box to both of them. I have like a book, I have some like cat stuff, I have like nail polish, all kinds of stuff that I think that they might actually use. I'm gonna send to them. This is all stuff that needs to be disposed of in like a way that I don't know what to do. This pot was messed up. That's why the coins are in here. We've been collecting all these coins. And we're gonna go take those to cash them in before we leave. These are the books that we want to bring with us, possibly. Alex has a giant bag of gummy bears. This is all the stuff so far that we're bringing with us most likely. Some of it might end up not coming. I've been like slacking today. So let's do this. Okay, as y'all could see, wow, that was zoomed in this whole time. That's why it was so small. I just went through that whole dresser over there. So this is all my socks and underwear and pajamas and the cat. So I really do think this is too much right now. I'm going to pare this down a little bit further. I feel good about how many underwear I brought. I have way too many pajamas here, and I probably have too many bras and possibly too many socks. I really only need like 7 days or maybe like 10 days worth of clothes while we're there, because we're gonna have a washer and dryer and I want to be as minimal as possible, so I need to like remember that, and I need to not think of like, I'm going to be gone for a year. How much of this stuff will I wear in a year? Because I would wear most of it in a year. That's why I own it. But I need to remember that like, it's okay to pack some stuff away. It's okay that I'm not going to see it for a year. And when I get back, I'll see the stuff I packed away with like fresh eyes, and I might not even want it anymore. So I need to just like pack like I'm packing for a long vacation and not pack too much. So we're doing okay. That is the to pack pile. That is the recycle pile because it's like old underwear. Oh my goodness. She has slobber on her face. Got suitcases. About us moving in 2 days.
Stressed.
That's it.
I feel like we did a really good job of getting a lot of stuff done, like in these past couple of weeks. That it seems like a daunting amount that we still have, but it's really not that much. At least I think so. At least thinks the opposite. But. So, decided to take a little break because I was packing my suitcase and opened a drawer to get my clothes out and just do a little investigating. She's in there.
Can you see her?
Our cat is in there. Somewhere. Hey!
Was she in there?
Yeah.
So today has been a day. Last night I went out to dinner with 2 of my friends from high school, and then they came over and hung out for a little while, and it was super fun. I wish I had been hanging out with them like while I lived here, because we like never ended up hanging out, but like it was so fun. So this morning at 9 a.m. the movers came. We were like, thought we were prepared, but we weren't. Didn't think we had that much stuff left, and we were like, oh, once they take the furniture out, like we'll be good. And then they took the furniture out and we still had like a lot left. My friend came over. She was coming over to help me clean and like fill in nail holes and stuff. She ended up having to help us pack and all that. So we were packing. Alex had to take like 4 trips to the storage unit in our little car. And we should have had all of that done before the movers came. We should have gotten it done yesterday and we didn't. And because Alex was like super optimistic thinking that we didn't have like barely anything left to do. And we had a lot left to do. So the cats were locked away when the movers were here and I just let them out. And they are so confused. Where's our stuff? Look how empty it is. But like, we still have so much stuff left to do. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this mess. Yikes. This is... What is all this? Crap. This is all giveaway stuff. Trash. Trash. Those are empty boxes and empty bags. This is trash. That's trash. So a lot of this is just trash. And then in the bedroom, this is actually like the best part that we did. I picked out all the clothes that I'm bringing and I packed everything else. So this is all that I'm bringing. I'm gonna make a video going more into depth of what all we're bringing. This is all stuff that we're bringing, which it looks like a lot, but I don't think it's that bad, and we're gonna narrow it down some more once we finish everything else. Groucho's being crazy. These are boxes that we're gonna, when we narrow down what we're bringing, we're gonna put that stuff in there. We kind of are almost done, but we kind of also have a lot left to do. I am overwhelmed, but I feel better now than I did earlier. So tell me real quick what is happening right now.
I am attempting to pack the clothes I want to bring in my freaking Xbox.
We have a ton of electronics, dude. That seems like a lot. I feel pretty good about my clothes, but I'm gonna downsize a little bit more. Downsizing everything, packing the last boxes. Tomorrow's our last day in Texas, in America. Are you happy?
Yes.
Will this all be worth it?
I hope so. I'm gonna cry.
It's Saturday night. It's like 9 o'clock and
We're done.
we're done.
We're done.
Everything is pretty much packed except for just my toiletries need to go in their bag.
But we have room.
Look. That's Alex's checked bag. My carry-on. And it's not even like completely full. My checked bag, Alex's carry-on, my bag, cat stuff. Those are the clothes we're wearing. How do you feel? How do you really feel about to embark on like something we've wanted to come true forever?
It feels good, but I just want to get this done and out of the way. Like, so many things could go wrong, and I just want everything to go right. And
Once we're at our Airbnb, then we can relax and enjoy our adventure. Okay, we're gonna finish packing and go to bed, and we're gonna wake up at 3 a.m. to drug the cats, and then we're leaving at 5. My aunt is coming to pick us up at 5 o'clock. We're leaving at 5:15. Our flight is at 7:40. And then this time tomorrow, we'll be in Lithuania. Okay, goodbye.